Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel and I run a lifestyle blog at lifestyleandlipstick.com. So today I'm going to show you the children's play area. Now I actually did a blog post on this quite a while back, so I will link that in the description box below for you. But yeah, it's just a great space in the house. It brings the family together and it also gives the children time away from us. And yeah, the space is great for the children. They have all their toys up there. They're free to go up there whenever they like, and they absolutely love that space. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, I would really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Okay, so this is the play area. It's situated on the landing at the top of the stairs, and all the bedrooms come onto this. So over here we have my eldest daughter's area. She absolutely loves her Lego. This is what it used to look like until she removed the pockets to make more space for her Lego. She can spend hours up here. It's her favourite place. Okay, and then over here we have my youngest daughter's kitchen. She absolutely loves playing like chef or shops. And then over here is where we keep all like the princesses, and we also keep the accessories to the princesses below in the boxes. Then over here we use this one to house the TV, and we put all the books in the pockets and cupboards, and this is also a great place to put all the toys that come with small pieces so they don't get lost. And then we love these pink tubs. They fit perfectly either side of the TV stand, and we use one of them for Duplo and the other one has got the board games in, and they will sit at this table for ages playing games. And then we bought this rug as a bit of an additional extra just to give it a bit more of a homely feel.